Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming your Apple ID is active on the device and that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. This matters because iCloud syncs over the network. Once done, update iOS or Mac OS so settings match Apple requirements. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled. This provides secure access and allows full iCloud features. Now open Settings or System Preferences, tap your name, and proceed directly to iCloud to begin turning on the services you want to use. Next, choose what to sync and why. Enable Photos for automatic camera uploads, iCloud Drive for file access across devices, and Contacts and Calendars to keep data consistent. Then check your storage. iCloud gives 5 GB free, but you can upgrade to larger plans if backups need more space. Make sure iCloud Backup is on for iPhone or iPad. This preserves app data and settings. Also, review which apps store documents in iCloud Drive so you avoid hitting storage. Finally, confirm a fresh backup and test sync by creating a note or photo and verifying it appears on another device. If something doesn't show up, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, which often forces a resync. Make sure Apple System Status shows iCloud services are online. If storage is full, delete outdated backups or purchase more iCloud storage to prevent interrupted backups. Remember, regularly check backup times so you always have a recent restore point.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.